it's not an option for us to stop caring for our teeth. Let's reduce your stress on choosing the best one and let us discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each type of toothbrush, that is manual or electric. Right from our childhood, since small age, we are taught that it's important to brush our teeth. And also, it's a very good habit, and we have to brush our teeth twice a day. In the recent years, especially in the last decade, there has been a large influx of various brands and varieties of toothbrushes coming into the market. And most often, if you go to buy a toothbrush, you see numerous brands selling different types of toothbrushes with different types of bristles, different shapes and everything. And also these days we see manual and electric toothbrushes, and definitely they catch our eye. And many patients often ask us which toothbrush is better. Coming to the electric toothbrushes, which are the new type, and they must probably be making you curious. So these electric toothbrushes are also effective, and they should also be used at an angle of 45 degrees while cleaning your teeth. But they are very user friendly. They make the process of brushing very easier for you, and even if you wake up late or if you're still not fully awake, all you have to do is hold your toothbrush at the right angle and the job is done for you. And also in 2015, a report was published which said that electric toothbrushes usually help to remove the plaque 21% more effectively than the manual toothbrush. Many kids and also these days many adults are undergoing orthodontic treatments. That is, they have these metal braces or clips on their teeth, and they find it very difficult to clean these clips or braces, and often food gets stuck in them. So for them, I must say the electric toothbrushes are a gift because they have this vibrating feature in them which helps them to remove all the stuck food and helps them to maintain their teeth clean. And also because the orthodontic treatments are long procedures, they usually go on for few months. So it's not an option for us to stop caring for our teeth. So definitely electric toothbrushes are very useful for people undergoing orthodontic treatments. Another point is that you don't, or I must say that you can't hurry up the process of brushing when you use an electric toothbrush, because on some days when you wake up late or you're in a hurry, you often tend to finish off that brushing process in very few seconds. But with electric toothbrushes, you can't just do that because they come with the timers which are set, and you will have to finish the brushing process, and you need to give that time you have to spend to take care of your teeth. So electric toothbrushes will definitely force us to go finish that brushing process properly while starting your day. Coming to people with limited mobility or people with special needs, or even when you have to take care of someone, these electric toothbrushes really help us to maintain their oral hygiene very nicely. And also, these electric toothbrushes are kid friendly. Show me a kid who doesn't get excited to use an electric toothbrush. They just feel these electric toothbrushes are more friendly, and they can always find this habit of brushing very interesting. Coming to the manual toothbrushes, the first and foremost point is that they're very affordable. We have been using them since ages, right? And you can usually find a manual toothbrush at any store near you. But when it comes to the electric toothbrush, you may not be able to find them at every drugstore. So manual toothbrushes are definitely very affordable and very easily accessible to us. And also they can be easily managed. Like, you need not stress to handle your toothbrushes. You can just store them anywhere, And I don't think we even think about storing our toothbrushes or placing our toothbrushes anywhere. And also they can be easily carried with us when we travel anywhere. And also these manual toothbrushes, they need the correct technique and skill when we use them. It's just not holding them in place, but we have to use the correct technique, and then they are as effective as electric toothbrushes. Now, coming to the disadvantages of electric toothbrushes, they are definitely pricey. They are not available to us for the same price as a manual toothbrush. And also, you will have to change the brush head even for an electric toothbrush every 3 months, that is 12 weeks. So, definitely, that must be some costly thing for few of us. And also, my electric toothbrushes have to be handled with care. They are breakable, so you need to take care of handling your electric toothbrush. And also, when you're traveling, you will have to pack those extra batteries and extra brush heads, and then that is not as easy as managing a manual toothbrush. Now, if we have to talk about the disadvantages of manual toothbrushes, you need to learn that proper technique and you need to have that proper skill to do proper brushing, right? So, it's not just holding the brush in place. And also, you shouldn't brush too hard, it will damage your gums. And you shouldn't brush too delicately, also, because there will be plaque buildup again. And you should brush for the correct time. You shouldn't brush too long or you shouldn't brush too less. And also, another disadvantage of manual toothbrushes is that these days, if you step out to buy a toothbrush, you're confused. There are so many brands, there are so many varieties with different brush heads, different bristles and all. So every time you land up buying a new variety, and you often land up experimenting with that new type of toothbrush every time. So having said all this, I hope I'm not confusing you all. And now if you ask me, what should I buy? I can tell you only one thing. There is no right choice or wrong choice when it comes to maintaining your oral hygiene. All you have to do is choose the best option, and that option should be the best for you. And whatever option you choose, a manual toothbrush or an electrical toothbrush, please remember the most important point is that you have to brush twice daily, and you have to floss regularly, and you have to change your brush or brush head every 3 months. Also, please plan regular dental checkups to avoid any severe dental problems.